baby bird fell from the tree. Or the chimney. Is it chirping? Oh!
Watch it. Not gonna watch. I'm gonna beat it. This cricket. I gotta get it in the light.
See it.
It ate it.
We're caring for a baby. Mama?
Yeah. Try. But that tasted good. I bet you were hungry, huh? Eat it some more later, I guess.
Can I hold it?
Not hold it, no, because it stresses it out too much.
Oh.
You want to keep it in your room? Can you keep it